Well, Duncan, you messed up. You flew away. Now how are you going to get back? Let's see what happens. See if she attacks my feet. No? Okay, zip up. Good bird. Now what I'm going to do is put her on her cage and then put the salt. So there you go, Duncan. Oh, she doesn't even want to go. Okay, Duncan, I got some salt. I got some salt, Duncan. I'm going to set this down. You can hear the crunch. Ooh, there you go. See the salt? Ooh. But, you know, she has her own personality. And here's the salt right over here. She's so excited about this salt shaker. Over here, Duncan. Right there. There must be some minerals in there that are good for her. There you go, you old salt, you. So this is our morning. She climbs down and looks for salt crystals. At least we have good sea salt, or actually this is Himalayan pink salt. So it's been in the ground for, about 1 billion years and got all these nice minerals in it, and she's just loving it. Salty bird. Oh, do you want some finger too? Nope, she just wants some salt. Another morning with a salty bird.